Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm fixing to do some jelly printing. And I hope you'll enjoy this video, so I'm just going to let you watch. So let's get started. I wasn't paying attention and I messed up and kept stamping in the same spot. I accidentally poured out too much paint, so I had to do something with the excess. While I'm letting my jelly press dry, I'm going to do some mark making on some of my other papers. Alright, here they are. Now this one definitely needs some more work. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but it'll come. Same as with this one. I like it, but it still needs something. This one needs a lot, and I'm just not sure what. The main thing I was trying to do is I've gotten some new colors and I wanted to try them out, and I've got a challenge coming up, a doodle challenge, where the theme or the prompt is green background. So I wanted to use a lot of green, and I didn't want to overdo my print so that I could doodle. So, and I just went with the other colors as they came. So we'll see what I'm going to do with those. Now this one I like, but I still think it needs something else. And I think this one's pretty, and I think it just needs some doodles with it. I'm not sure about this one. This one looks kind of muddy to me, almost like a swamp with a green. I love how this one is. I love this, the way this stamped off or stenciled off. I know it may need something, but I don't know. I kind of like it the way it is. I may just keep it the way it is because I love the shiny, but then you've got that black in the pattern. Now this is going to be one of my pages I may doodle. And I just played around with it, and I'll see where I can go with that. Same as with this one. I love the pattern that was left in this, and it'll give me a lot to work off of. I love this one. I love that this one will probably just be a standalone. You can see the rose stamp where I stamped it off, and then the stencil. I think I really love this one. It's just so unique. And my last one is this one, and I love it. I think it's cool. I like the little marks I made with my little glue card, and I may do some more to it. It probably needs something else, but I really like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.